Amazon sellers, big news. Amazon just dropped game-changing update for sponsored brands. For years, we have been asking for better control over placements, especially top of search and rest of search visibility. And finally, it is here. This is new feature is called reserve share of voice, and trust me, it is going to completely change how you manage your sponsored brands campaigns. So what does it actually do? You can now reserve top of search placements for your branded keywords. That means instead of fighting the auction every single time, you can book that top slot in advance at a fixed cost. No more guessing, no more random placements. You control exactly where your brand appears. And if you have ever managed ads for multiple brands like we do at Spectrum BPO, you already know how powerful this is. So now let's talk numbers. During Amazon's beta testing, top of search impressions jumped from 62% to 99%. Click-through rate went from 35% to 4.5%, and the loss top of search sales ratio dropped from 10% to almost zero. That's a huge win for visibility and conversion. But here is why it matters most. Owning top of search means protecting your brand. When someone searches your brand name, you will no longer see a competitor's ad taking that first slot. You own that space every time without fail. Think of it like having your billboard permanently placed at the right Amazon entrance. Now let's go over how you use it. It is simple. Step 1 is go to your Amazon Ads console. Step number 2 is open sponsored brands. Step number 3 is choose your branded keywords. Step number 4 is look for reserve share of voice. Step number 5 is set your budget and dates. You will pay a fixed amount upfront, and that guarantees your top of search spot for that period. It's basically buying your ad space in advance instead of competing for it every single hour. Now for agencies and brands, this unlocks something we have always wanted: predictability. You can plan your ad budgets for big events like Prime Day, Q4 sale, or new product launches, and actually know your brand will show up on top. You can combine this reserve placement with dynamic bids for rest of search, build more predictable funnels, and increase your click through with more control. At Spectrum BPO, we are already testing it across several accounts, and the early results are looking incredible. So here is a takeaway. If you are running sponsored brands campaigns, this update is a must use. Start reserving your top placements, protect your brand visibility, and give your ads consistency they deserve. And if you would like to see exactly how we are implementing this for our clients, drop a comment below or DM me. I will share full walkthrough in my next video. Because this update, this is not just another feature, this is start of a new level control of brands on Amazon. So you know me, I am Umar from Spectrum BPO, helping brands grow smarter on Amazon every single day. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to Amazon update, we bring you value straight, fast, and fluff free.